Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So we are here again with another foundation Friday, and today we're gonna test out the UCANBE foundation. So if you want to see how this foundation works, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so we're back and time to talk about this foundation, which I had my hubby look for it. He can't find it. Oh, actually, it's on Amazon. Okay, so this is called UCANBE Matte Liquid Longwear Foundation. I don't understand why it's not even on their site, but you know what? We'll just. So it says UCANBE Matte Liquid Foundation or Makeup, medium to full coverage, waterproof longwear, serum care foundation for combination or oily mature skin, lightweight, hydrating, and nourishing. It's $4.19, so it's pretty inexpensive if it actually works. Their shade range though is insane. I mean, 21 shades, and this is cashew. But I don't. To be honest with you, I don't think the shade is gonna match me. So it's lightweight format, streak free, no clumping, perfectly blended, 24-hour hydration, medium coverage. It has hyaluronic acid in there, aloe vera leaf juice, horsetooth clover extract, and vitamins. Waterproof and sweatproof, so let's jump into it. But yeah, I don't know, man. This is so light. I think this is gonna be like, look at this. Oh my god. Okay. Let's put a little bit of primer. Actually, let me see what am I gonna do with this, because if it is like really light, we're just gonna not put it all over, you know. Like, look at this. Okay, that's fine. Let's let's just go into it. Like, look at how light this is. But we just, you know. This is definitely light. Oh, my nose is so dry. See, I feel like it goes down like really light. I mean, it's still light for me, guys. Don't get me wrong. But I feel like it darkens up a little bit. Cause I put this, like, look at this. I don't know. It has a smell kind of like a lotion. I don't really like stuff with like scents like that, cause it's like, I'm like, what did you put in here? And my face looks so funny. Oh my god, this thing is light. And then let's go in with my one side. Oh my god, this thing is light. I don't want to laugh, you know, because this is funny. It's so funny how light this thing is. That just seems like a lot, but you know what? It's fine. We're gonna make it work. I'm gonna use Carob from Black Opal. I gotta like go real heavy with this, cause I mean, it's not like I don't go heavy normally, but this foundation is light. And we have to make it work, right? Okay, so this is how everything is laid on the foundation. I don't know how I feel about this foundation, but you know what? I'm gonna go ahead, wear the foundation, do the 2 check-ins, and I will give you my final thoughts at the end of the night. So see you guys later. Hi guys, so I am doing my first check-in and gonna go see the Bob Marley movie. Burke. It was a line on my nose. I don't know. Who knows? But yeah, so I already take off half the foundation. But yeah, everything still looks really good. Right now I only been wearing this foundation for 1 hour though, so. But yeah, everything still looks really good. No complaints yet. No separation by my nose. Man, this ambulance just passed there and it was so loud and obnoxious. So I'm just gonna keep wearing this foundation. This is my first check-in. I will give you guys one more check-in. This foundation was like only $4 and change. If this foundation actually work, I think this is gonna be like amazing, but it's too early to tell. So I'm just gonna keep wearing the foundation, and I will give you guys one more check-in and then my final thoughts at the end of the night. So see you guys later. Hi guys, so I am doing my second check-in. My glasses all, kind of took off my foundation. But yeah, I'm just, foundation still looks good. Lips is pretty much gone, bro. Yeah. Foundation still looks, I don't know, man, like some days my eyes just keep running and takes off all my makeup here. But apart from that, everything still looks really, really good. So right now I've been wearing this foundation for about 4 hours. Yeah, about 4 hours. I don't really have any separation. Some of the spots like I think I removed, but I was in the movies and I think I was touching my face, so that could be why. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, so it's just the usual. So I'm just gonna this is my last check-in. I will give you guys my final thoughts at the end of the night. So see you guys later. I'm mad at handling this type of thing. Well, I don't get it. You say it's a man. This is my message to you. Hi guys, we're back and time to talk about this foundation. I actually really liked the Bob Marley movie. I know it's getting like kind of up and down reviews, but I liked it. End of story. So let's talk about the foundation. I think I put this foundation on about 3 o'clock and now it's 7, so I've been wearing the foundation for like 4 hours. This foundation is $4.19, which is a steal of a deal. I think it said it was a matte finish. I wouldn't necessarily say it's a matte because you can kind of see like I look a little bit dewy, but I have a glow, but I wouldn't say it's like dewy or oily or anything like that. Because it still fits. See, it's just, I feel like it just brings out a little bit of your natural glow, if you know what I mean. But I don't think it's like by any means like greasy or, again, if you don't like stuff like that, you could do something like this and just like, see, done. And just kind of like matte it out. I don't mind if I want to have a little shine. It just makes it look like, your skin is healthy and you're glowing and all that good stuff. So I don't necessarily mind that at all, but I know for some people they might be like, that's dewy, that's greasy, like I don't like that, but it's really not. So I have like two kind of thingies right here, or two areas where it looks like the foundation came off. As I said, I went to the movies, I was wearing my glasses because I can't see and then it kind of took, you know, the foundation over here. When I look up close to my nose, I don't really have any separation here. Everything still looks really good, so I don't, looks good, no real problems. Even my smile lines today don't look as bad, which is crazy, right? Because sometimes I wear really high-end foundations like $50, $60, $70, and my smile lines look really bad. This foundation again was $4.19, and you can barely see my smile line. And I use a regular primer that I use all the time. I use the setting spray, I use the setting powder. So I did not do anything like crazy this time around that I don't usually do. So yeah, I think everything still looks amazing. I think I could go for some more hours with this foundation, in my opinion. So final thoughts on this foundation. This foundation is $4.90. I think it's a steal of a deal if you can get your shade, because the shades, so it's like kind of weird. So online says, so they have a website. I couldn't find a foundation on their website, but I bought it on Amazon. I could find it on Amazon. Amazon said they have 21 shades, but it's really just 10 shades that was in stock, and my shade was 07, which was like a little bit light, but I make it work with like a good bronzer and stuff like that. But yes, do I recommend this foundation? 100%. If you can get your shade, you should try it. So that's it, guys, for this foundation Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.